Hi, I'm going to walk you through how to install Git software onto your Mac. So Git is a version control program for saving changes you make to files over time, which is useful to track changes on your projects, but it's even more useful when working with a team. And in the last couple chapters of this course, we're going to be using Git to push data and our notebooks to GitHub or GitLab. We're going to be following the process that Ben Welsh has already described on his site at firstpythonnotebook.org. And the first step is to check if Git is already installed. Now on Macs, Git is installed by default, but just in case it isn't, we're going to check anyway, and plus you might be behind a version or two. So just click on this magnifying glass at the top right, type in terminal, and just type in this command, git -- version. Alright, I have Git version 2.17.1, and if there was a blank or if it gave back an error, that means you don't have Git installed. So if you have an older version or you don't have it installed, then just go to the website git-scm.com, which I already have on this browser. Okay, and it looks like the latest version is 2.17.1, which I currently have, but I'm going to walk through the process of how to install it anyway. So click on download, it'll get started. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to pop it open. Just double click the package. Alright, now you might get an error like this, and it says it can't be opened because it's from an unidentified developer. Go ahead and click OK. You're going to need administrative privileges for this part. So go back to search, pop open settings, and click on security and privacy. Now, under general, there will be a message that says this package was blocked from opening because it's not from an unidentified developer. Click on the button open anyway. Click open anyway, and now fill in your username and password. Alright, installer will pop open. Click continue, install, once again your username and password. Okay, installation successful. Click on close, move to trash, close out settings, go back to terminal and type in git -- version, and it's still up to date. If this was an older version or if you didn't have it before, this would show up now. Now before we move on, we need to close out a terminal and open it up back again, pretty much to kind of reset it. And now we need to set up our identity. So you just open up terminal and type in the command git config -- global, and then user.email, and then put in your email in quotation marks. Then follow that up with git config -- global user.name, and put in your name. And that's it. You're ready to go for that last chapter.